South America, Africa, Antarctica, Europe, North America, South America, Australia,
Show me Asia. Which is the largest continent?
Asia.
Show me North America. Percentage, tell the percentage.
70% water, 30% land.
Very good. Now, which is the smallest continent?
Australia,
Izan, which is the smallest continent? Smallest continent. Which is the whitest continent? Why this is white? Ice. Very good. Igloo, where we can see? Here, show me igloo. Ah, yes. What is igloo? Ice.
House made by ice is
Very good. Take Asia. Keep on the mat. Which is our continent?
Asia.
Very good. Take Australia. Okay, very good. Take Antarctica. Take Antarctica. Take North America. Take North America. South America. Africa. Europe. Very good. Now keep Asia. Okay, keep Australia. Okay, Africa. Which is the second largest continent? Very good. Which color is this? Which animal you can see in Africa? Very good. Okay, now keep North America. South America. Europe. Antarctica. Now Izan, tell. Kangaroo is the national animal of which continent? Very good, Izan. Continents? Which continent? Then